Let me tell you a secret. Every clean video you see out there, every beautiful outlook you see out there was not like that from the beginning. There are some things that happen behind the scene that you don't know. When you see beautiful outlook, when you see beautiful presentation, you see some effect and all that. They were not really like that from the beginning. There is always a behind the scene. There is a behind the scene. There is no magic. Even if you have been facing the camera for years, you still make errors. Oh, please come. If you have some skeleton in your cupboard, if you have some things that you used to cut off from your from your videos, gather here. Because we really need to talk to upcoming content creators. Like, it's not as rosy as you think. Do you know that standing in front of your camera, talking to your camera, is not easy? Like, it beats even the doctors, the professors. Sometimes people could stand and talk in front of a large crowd, but when they are faced with the camera, they keep stammering, they keep making errors, they keep fumbling, and they keep laughing and all that. So if you used to fumble a lot in front of your camera, come and gather here. Let us talk about it. Because enough of people blaming and crying, enough of all these perfection, and people don't want to upload videos anymore because when they see other videos, they feel intimidated. They think they can't speak English. Let me tell you, it's not about English. It's about you facing it. Just look at the camera and just be talking. Just say your own. Whether you're making errors or not, just be talking. Talk as though you are talking to your friend. So laugh when you want to laugh. Make errors and correct yourself. You know, we've seen some screen goddess. They didn't start perfect from the beginning. We have behind the scene. The videos you see there, they have cut and cut and cut and cut off. So you new content creators, you my friends that are still trying to be perfect, know that we'll get there. But don't stop. Be consistent. Just get your camera and start talking. With time, with time, you'll be that screen goddess. With time, you will be that celeb people want to reckon with. With time, you will be a mentor. With time, you'll be a consultant, as long as you are constantly doing this. All we need is consistency. Just keep doing it. Whether you are doing it well or not, you are competing with yourself. Don't compete with anybody. Just tell yourself it's about you. Just be doing you. And also, I'm not saying that there's no room for improvement. There is definitely room for improvement. But don't let analysis paralysis be your case. Don't try to be perfect. Even in life, no one is perfect. Even in life, nobody is perfect. No man is perfect. No woman is perfect. We are all making progress. So, if you have had some wonderful sessions behind the scene, please, in the comments, tell me we are here. If you have messed up behind the scene in front of camera, if you have missed your lines like 100 times, if you have missed what you are supposed to say or what you are supposed to do 100 and you have gotten angry, like for me, there was a time I got angry and just packed up everything, just a little line. Oh my god, I can laugh over it now. I can just laugh over it because it's gone, right? It's gone. But then What are we saying? No one is perfect. Come with your imperfections and keep making progress. Come with your imperfection and keep making progress. That is the ultimate. All right. So, when next you start stammering, when next you start making errors, when next things seem not to work out, just know that you are not alone. Just know that you are going somewhere. Just know that you are closer than you ever think. Thanks for watching. If you have watched this to this time, tell yourself, I'm not going back. We keep moving, we keep pushing, we keep getting better. And the next video is going to be a blast. The next video is going to be the viral one. The next video is going to be the icebreaker. The next video is going to be that one video that you need to turn your life around. No one is perfect. You are not perfect. I am not perfect. No one is perfect. We're all working towards perfection. Just have that in mind and do your thing. Now, let me tell you these secrets. I've gone to schools, I have degrees. If I have the chance to talk in public, I can carry my crowd. I can talk very well. I can deliver speeches. But when I started YouTube, oh my God, I was fumbling, I was laughing, I was making errors. I got angry at some point and then settled it again myself. So know that you're not alone in this. Just keep doing it and we're going to celebrate at the end of the day. I want to see you at the top. Thanks for watching. Please click on the like button and watch the next video I'm going to upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.